Give me 90 seconds and I will show you how to become a content creator with 5 tips. Tip number 1, stop planning and start posting. The first step is overcoming the analysis paralysis. You don't need the perfect niche yet. Your niche is whatever you can talk about for hundreds of videos without getting bored. Create that channel and post. You will find your voice by doing, not planning. Tip number 2, solve a problem. If you want this content creation to be a job, you have to be helpful. Share a practical skill or solve a common frustration like basic budgeting, how to sew a handkerchief. A trend disappears in a week, but a solution stays for years. People subscribe you when your video actually make their life easier. Tip number 3, wisdom beats the algorithm. Stop chasing hacks. An algorithm hack can get you a certain views, but only your real-world experience and authority will keep someone watching. Whether it's finance, baking, manual labor, speak from a place of depth. Tip number 4, 1 hour take rule. Don't let the production trap kill your career. Most creators quit because they spend hours, like 10 hours for a 2-minute video, and then they got too exhausted and too burned out and their energy drained. Learn the basic editing like trimming, adding the audio, and then just export it and move on with your life and keep just in 1 hour. Then stop. Your message is the product. The editing is just pure packaging. Of course it helps, but in the beginning, you need to focus on the content, the value of the video that you're going to bring to your audience. So keep it simple so you can stay consistent. And the last tip, batch for the revenue. Stop filming 1 video at a time. That's how you burn out. Spend 1 day a week to film 3 or 4 videos at once. It gives you a consistent library. Once you're done with the video, you can edit it and share it and then forget about making video and can focus on the thing that help you generate the revenue streams. So to sum up, forget perfection, be useful and stay unfiltered, and just hit upload, please. You don't need to be pro to start, you just need to be real and useful to start.